high-end work, like these guys, I usually say it starts between 10 and 15, depending on options, and it could go as high as 25 to 30 if you want something really bespoke. So on the high end, you sort of just say a bunch of numbers. Hey, there we go. Coffee's for the closers. Coffee, we do have some coffee.
That's why I didn't drink any.
Yeah, that's why it hasn't been touched yet.
Yeah.
What is all this symbology? Look at all this symbology on this man.
It's flair.
Right? Are there meanings to these things? What is this?
This was one of my first sterling silver pieces of jewelry that I got from my lovely lady at home. It's a phoenix, Chris Phoenix, it goes with the whole thing. Another one is a sterling wolf claw. Ravens, moons, roses, and then I love my Dispel dice, so I like this pin. It's really crisp.
The gamers have flair. Ed has, look. See?
Oh, you got a little bit.
Right there. It took me like flair mingo. Actually, I want to move this one, Bennett, just so people can see the logo.
Oh, sure.
Get some smexiness there. It's so nice you can barely see the mistakes he made. Barely.
I don't see any. There's none.
No, of course not.
No. Ian would never.
Ian Costello?
Never.
Absolutely not.
Watching him get this to where it was sort of inspiring. CNC got some alignment things a little off, and he was putting all this crazy, and I'm like, you know what? I'm logging all of that away for whenever I have to deal with stuff, because I never would have thought to do that. Let's
Sensei Ian.
Sensei Ian, drunken master. He is
quite drunk.
That's fair.
Mastered the art of drunk kung fu.
And woodworking.
Yes. Disclaimer, he doesn't drink on the job.
See, what was your name?
Michael.
Michael, number one wormling. Ooh. Number one, top wormling. You need to get in a selfie. Come on.
I don't have a wide-angle lens. Oh, I'm in there.
There we go.
There, we're gonna all be on Wyrm Lyfe together.
Let's get on Wyrm Lyfe.
Hey,
Wyrm Lyfe.
Here's the real CEO.
This is the real CEO. What was your name?
Jason.
Jason, and what was your name? Jason and Tracy drove all the way here from Illinois. Is that the Hoosier State? What's the Hoosier State?
No.
Or is that Indiana?
Indiana.
So what do you call someone from Illinois? Illinoisian? Illinoisian. But anyway, sorry.
How long is that drive?
How long is that drive?
15 hours.
Oh! Specifically to come see Wyrmwood, to check out Wyrm Lyfe, to meet you, Matt.
Me?
To meet you. 15 hours.
Man.
Wow. So heartwarming.
You don't know how to respond.
I don't know how to respond.
You're number one on the list, but the whole crew, definitely.
Let's make it personal. Let's rank your favorite Wyrm Lyfe characters in order. Right? Give me the top three.
Maybe we need to move away a little bit. So we don't offend anybody. Well, see, like,
I'm at the top.
It's got to be Matt.
and Bobby.
Matt, Doug, and Bobby. What about Johnny?
Well, we got Jason.
Jason's
I
good.
like Jason too.
Do you like Jason?
Yeah.
He's not that funny though, right? Jason is not.
He has his moment.
He's a know-it-all.
But he doesn't flaunt it like a know-it-all.
Oh, you think he's humble?
Yeah, you flaunt it.
But if you had to pick between Doug and Bobby though, if you had to rank the Doug and Bobby,
Don't make me choose. I can't choose.
Doug versus Bobby, who's the number one for you? Come on.
I'm going to go with Doug.
Yes!
I'll go Team Doug.
Whoa.
Yes!
Give them in.
Yes!
But let's do the list.
What's going on here?
Yeah.
There's more mega fans. Mega fans.
For me?
Oh, wait a second.
Let's
not oversell this. I don't need this.
Yeah. So you guys are Wyrm Lyfe fans.
Oh my gosh.
This is true.
For
Yeah,
a while,
so true. Yes. Definitely true.
These are not paid actors.
Yes,
Oh my gosh,
no money.
Me,
Except
no.
maybe a free table. What? No.
You know, if I
no
have
free
something,
table, no nothing.
then yeah.
So we're doing a brief survey
Oh,
of
okay.
just sort of the Wyrmlings, the people that are fans. If you had to rank your favorite Wyrm Lyfe characters, just like a top three. Just choose like
The top three?
Top three.
And he's standing right here too, and I might be putting an order in later. Oh man, that's just rough. Can I go top five? Because
sure.
It's really hard.
Okay.
I always want to see what insane thing Crazy Ed's up to.
Okay,
Just
Crazy
'cause
Ed,
he's
ding,
just
ding,
off-
ding.
Right.
Get him up there.
I love when you're on, especially recently with all the real hardship you guys just did, and you just aired the past day or
Sure.
two.
Should we do that, by the way?
Yes.
Like,
Yes, you should. I think
Are you
people
sure?
should see. I said people should see.
I feel bad for the other people. I understand
yeah, but the
where
first
you're
thing he
coming-
said was, he's like, it's not like these people did anything wrong.
Right, yeah.
He took responsibility, which is the first time I've seen leadership in a company actually talk to
Upset
people
about,
and
yeah.
say, hey, this really hurts me. This was my mistake that put us in this position. That you don't see in leadership that often.
It's hard. I know
Comments
it's hard
would
to do
disagree.
Yeah, very much.
You encourage everybody to agree to disagree. You don't walk around saying it's my way or the highway.
Yeah,
It all
no.
just
No,
gets
that's-
Now, granted, that's only what we see on YouTube, so who knows? He could be, as soon as we turn around
know,
and we're half an
right?
aisle down,
Yeah.
he's like, all right, everything I just said, you guys all
Delete it.
ignore. We're good.
No, but just even watching the shows and the craftsmanship and the oh my gosh.
When Bennett
And,
makes stuff, that's fun to watch.
But even
too.
when that with just
Yeah.
the carving and the details and whatever, I'm just sitting there like, you guys have to have patience to do all that because that's just amazing. And this is coming from me.
Back to the survey.
Right,
though.
back to the top five.
Dicapalooza Bobby was really awesome to watch.
Yeah,
So
look
I'd
at.
say you and him are tied for
Yeah.
second.
We're tied for second.
Matt
Oh,
and Bennett
okay.
are tied for third.
I'll take it.
Matt's your
I'll take a solid 3.
third
Yeah.
place. But what do you think of Jason?
Yeah.
Like, no,
Jason.
Jay, he's kind of a. You can be honest.
I think you need to let him. Oh man, this isn't fun. I think he and I are very, 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 very similar.
Really?
And me not
So
working
sorry.
with Wick. Yeah. You know how you guys do like the one-off thing, like the smoking frog?
Yes.
It's like,
Yeah.
I'd like to see him try making something like that to
Jason.
see what he would come up with. See what I'm
One
saying?
off Jason Kraft.
There he is.
It's all really good. Like I don't know.
But it's Joe. I mean,
How often do you guys get like disgruntled customers calling you and stuff?
All the time.
Just
Really?
constantly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
About
okay,
what?
well, you-
Oh, we're
Anything.
chronically late.
no,
we're
we are
just
late a lot.
Yeah, but it's
that's
handcrafted
how
stuff.
and
I
that's how
mean-
Kickstarter works.
That's-
You're not the only late Kickstarter
we're
thing
not
on the face of the planet.
no,
I mean,
we're
love these guys. They're so understanding.
Handmade furniture, it's going to take a while.
Why aren't you guys in the comment section? I'm just curious. Anyway,
Yeah.
so there it is.
Great.
But anyways,
wait.
best of success. We will
Wait,
be
wait, wait,
ordering a table
I need
for
my
you.
picture.
Oh.
Yes.
More selfies. More selfies. All the fans. All the fans. We need to just make a positive episode of love just to drive the commenters crazy.
Okay.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. There.
Chris is gonna tell him. Okay, you tell him, Chris. Stick up for me.
Don't be crushing on Doug. So few people own their own business and put everything they own behind it and take care of it and bleed with it. Nobody understands.
Boom. Nobody understands.
Nobody understands.
Nobody understands. Emo Doug. Nobody understands me. My parents didn't understand me. Commenters don't understand me.
I don't understand you.
Matt doesn't understand.
I don't know how much they watch.
Never watch?
They have, but
I'm more social media on like Instagram and social.
We have an Instagram. Why?
I follow you on Instagram. I do. Yeah.
I think you're embarrassing them. I think you're
I'm
embarrassing
an old
them.
dad. It's part of my job. Right on.
Right on. Let's embarrass these kids.
Cinnamon and brown sugar.
What's going on?
What's up?
How are you?
You've never been to a convention
No,
before.
I've never been to anything quite like this.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's not too bad.
You ever have a Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah.
I hear I don't think they're good. A Philly cheesesteak.
Like from Philly cheesesteak.
You ever have like a Philly cheesesteak? They're kind of pieces of crap.
They are.
Yeah.
The idea of a Philly cheesesteak is like the lower the quality, the more authentic it is. It's kind of like Philly itself.
Bill Burr was right.
Who's Bill Burr?
You know who Bill Burr is. The deep Josh Watson lore. Do you know this man was a techno DJ in Philly? That's the coolest lore drop ever.
I don't see it.
See it? Oh, you don't? I kind of see it. That's awesome.
Slight change of pace. Professional Santa. Professional pirate Santa if...
Captain Santa.
Captains, I apologize.
I don't see your ship.
You don't see my ship?
Yeah,
Most of the time you don't see my sleigh or me.
that's true.
Does Pirate Santa still do the reindeer, or is it like porpoises?
No, it's reindeer.
right.
They just pull a pirate ship behind them.
Gotcha.
Looks way cool.
It makes sense because Santa has always been like flagrantly disobeys international borders, airspace regulations, all these laws, personal property line, like nothing.
Pillaging toys from naughty kids and giving them to the nice kids? Is that how this works?
What? Because there's drawbacks. I have to steal the toys back and then I re-give them.
Greatest business card of all time. We've got Santa Claus, pirate, and puppeteer.
But they forgot one thing. I also do magic. I'm going to take his Christmas wish. There it is.
Oh!
I'm going to send that to the North Pole.
Whoa, where did... What the...
Do it. Do it. Follow it. Ho, ho, ho.
No,
All right.
no. It's yo ho ho and a bottle of nog.
It's all coming together.
Wait, are these like electronic dice?
They're like...
That is super poozin'.
That is so cool.
Whoa!
And they're even Bluetooth, so you can connect to your phone.
And they charge in the case.
On the single charge. Then they charge on the case.
Oh.
Right, yes.
AirPods.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly. This has a little battery here. It's basically enough for like one charge for all the dice. Oh, here, I have a couple for you.
No.
So this one is a special edition that we only have here at the show. When you buy it from like our web store, it comes in a much nicer box. But these were much easier for the convention.
It comes with its own little charging
But
thing,
yeah,
or
that's
no?
the little charging case. You just a little USB-C, right? And then, you know, it just turns on, says hello.
God, that's
yeah, when
so
you open it, it
cool.
says hello. So this one is just kind of a random flashy, right? So these are like presets, right? That we've like patterns that I've made myself. So for instance, now it's a pink, just lights up pink.
Oh
all the
my
time.
God. This is like the most on-brand thing ever.
Yeah.
I love it.
You're too kind.
I love it. It's awesome. Well, great job, man. Great job.
I've reached the point in my life where I just love the dad jokes. That guy, the guy we were just talking to, he left me with the best dad joke. Because he noticed, he's like, are you married? I don't have a wedding ring right on, like my band broke, I need to get it repaired. He's like, yeah, my wife wears 3 rings. She's got her wedding ring, she's got her engagement ring. The ring she's always showing off the most is her suffering.
Oh,
I was like, yes!
Oh, God.
Yes! Like, I'm stealing that.
Oh, God.
I'm taking that joke.
Especially with you.
Yeah,
Good
exactly.
Lord.
I was like, that's wonderful.
Oh,
Strange.
my God. Dude, I'm so tired.
My feet are killing me. My dogs are barking.
Can I tell you something? I'm really glad we're not going to an airport after this.
Yeah.
Let's check the Wyrmwood timepiece. Available. There it is. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Look at that sparkle. It's naturally that sparkly.
All right, I'll leave it
Whatever
then.
you're seeing on the screen, folks, it was that sparkly. That's real sparkle. Nothing was added in post.
Wasn't
Anyway,
all-
well, let's do a watch check right now on 1 hour. Ooh, that's classy.
That's a classy watch. What watch is this, Ed? Are you a real watch guy?
Yeah, that's a I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know the brand. Yeah, I'm not into the the Bauhaus, the minimalist thing. Like I don't.
Okay, you know the style.
Yes.
I'm impressed.
Yes.
He said Bauhaus. That's good.
I respect it, but it's not my bag usually.
It's the Max Bill. Max
It
Bill.
is.
Thank you. Thank you, Matt.
Ooh.
Bobby, watch check. What do you got? Oh, okay.
Limited.
Oh, the cool
Limited.
club. Ed, bring it home.
I mean, I love it, but it's not.
Okay.
It's a Casio Oceanus. It's
Gates, what do we got, Gates? Gates.
PAX Unplugged, big W's for the Wyrmwood. W's are in the name. It was a good show, a lot of positivity.
Nothing but positivity.
A lot of love from the Wyrmlings.
Yeah.
A lot of good feedback on our product as well. So many people now have the MGTs, and they all love them.
It's great.
It's a great show.
table.
Great show.
All right.
Now we're done. I'm thinking about driving back tonight.
Let's do it.